Hi, first grade friends. So I just wanted to kind of go over what you guys have in your red folders for the next couple of days. I just wanted to go over it with you. That way you know everything that you need to do. And then Miss Anderson will be available for questions if you have any. So for the next 2 days, we're going to be looking at this book. Before we read, you guys are going to make a prediction. And you should have a sheet. And if you did not get a sheet for some reason, just write it on a sheet of paper and say, what do you think is going to happen in a book called The Great Thanksgiving Escape? We read a book this past week called Turkey Trouble. So I want you guys to think, do you think it's going to have something to do with the turkey? Who's escaping in the story? You can tell me, I think this is happening because. Now, while you're reading this week, while you're listening to Miss Anderson read, you have a sheet like this, and it's got see, hear, smell, taste, touch. So while you're reading, Miss Anderson wants you to think of any words you hear during the book that might make you see something really good, give you a good mental picture, something you might hear in the story, so words that might make you think of something you can really hear. So you must smell, touch, and taste. So those are good words. On the back, you have My Holiday Fun. How do you make your own holiday fun during the holidays? So thinking about a holiday that you celebrate, I want you to think of something that you do to make it fun. You did get a word bank that just has some holiday words on it in case you need to spell anything, and you're going to draw me a picture. The next thing you guys got in your packet was this hundreds chart helper, just to kind of give you this in case you needed any help with your math. And Miss Anderson stuck your regular math on in a 3-part packet. So there's 3 sheets. You can divide it up how you would like. On the first sheet, it says part whole. So there's some pies, and you're going to match them up with which number bond on here that they go with. So you're going to fill in the missing number. So this one up here wants to know what the whole is. So if there's a part down here missing, that's a part. If the top part of this math problem is missing, it's a whole. So you're solving for the parts and the wholes. On the next sheet that you have, it says sort by sum. So it wants you to sort the addition problems down at the bottom, and you're going to have to cut these out and sort them with what their answer is or what they equal. And then I kind of gave you some high numbers as well. So you got that for your math. Now, some friends may have gotten a math challenge packet. So on this page, what you're going to do is you're going to add the 3 numbers with the Thanksgiving food together and write the answer. Now remember, Miss Anderson is big on showing me your work and showing me how your math brain works. So I need to make sure you give me all of the things that are in your brain while you're solving this. Now, I give you a couple harder ones. So we've been talking about place value and our base 10 blocks and ways to write a number. So it wants you to get 5 colors, and you should have gotten one in your remote learning kit that you'll bring back to me. It came home in a clear bag. You're going to color in the number, the base 10, the expanded form, which looks like this with a plus sign, and then the number word. So all 4 of these Thanksgiving items that represent the same number will be colored in the same color. Same for the sheet on the back. Now, I gave you a couple sets of word problems if you want to try those. And then we have some comparing numbers, 3-digit numbers. Y'all did great with the 2 digits, I wanted to see. And same thing for this. I give you 3-digit numbers and then the expanded form of a number. There's some subtraction on back. And then you have 2 challenge 100 charts. So to see how far you can fill in to 120. And then there's another chart that starts at 341 and it goes to 460. So your challenge is to try and fill that out. Now, Miss Anderson dropped it. Now, Miss Anderson also included this. So parents, you are welcome to fill this in, or have them fill it in, have them color the outside, who they're most grateful for, what they're most grateful for, and why I'm most grateful. They can put their name and their date and color the border, and then draw me a picture of the things that they talk about. Now parents, if you send this back in, I will be happy to laminate it and send it back home so you can have a keepsake. Normally we would do this the day before Thanksgiving and I would send it home as a great little keepsake, but since we are virtual, if you complete it while you're gone and you send me everything back in, I will laminate it for you. Now, another thing you guys received was the escape. So create a map to escape Thanksgiving. So you're gonna draw your own map of where you're celebrating Thanksgiving, and some of the things that happened in the story. Now, on the back of the paper, you're gonna draw me the two characters, the setting, draw me a picture of what happened in the beginning, middle, and end. You also have a little retail booklet that I cut out for you. You're gonna do 4 pictures, and then on the back, you're gonna tell me in words what happened. Now, parents, please do not feel pressure to finish all of this. This is just stuff we sent. You also received a game with colorful pies, and then a Esplin sorting sheet, which is what we worked on this week at school. And so this is kind of just a review. So your child will cut out the pies. They do not have to cut them apart. There is a line down the middle where you would cut them apart, but I just want them to cut out the actual pie piece and then sort them into the different 4 Esplins. After they do that, they're gonna write the words that they sorted. I hope all of this makes sense. I hope to see you guys really soon. And remember, I'll just be online for any questions. I'm not teaching new content this week. All right, talk to you later.